lot of people consider Richard Feynman to be the grandfather of nanotechnology. He gave a seminal speech in 1959 called "There's Plenty of Room at the Bottom." What he suggested in this speech was that as long as we don't violate the laws of physics, and as long as we don't violate the laws of nature, there's no reason why we can't do things at smaller and smaller length scales. We may not know how to do something at a very small length scale. It may be very expensive to do it at that length scale, and there may not be a very good reason why we would want to do something at that length scale. But as long as we don't violate the laws of physics, there's no reason why we can't do it. To encourage researchers to think about this new way of thinking about science and technology, Professor Feynman offered two $1,000 prizes. The first was to build an electric motor that would fit into a 1/64th of an inch cube. The second prize would be given to the person who could reduce the page of a book by a factor of 25,000 so that you could only read it using a scanning electron microscope. As you can see, the first prize only took 1 year for an engineer to figure out. The second prize, reducing the page of a book by a factor of 25,000, took scientists and engineers 25 years to figure.